Students, in this video I'm going to discuss operators in Java, and it's a very important topic. When we perform or do the computer programming, two very common operations are there. One is arithmetical operations and the second is the logical operations. Alright. Arithmetical operations, like we are adding two numbers here, 2 plus 5, then we have got x minus in the parenthesis 2 asterisk y, parenthesis closed. Then in the parenthesis we have got b asterisk b minus in the parenthesis 4 asterisk a asterisk c. So these are some examples of arithmetical operations, and what is unique about it, that everywhere we have used arithmetic operators. Alright. Now logical operations. Here we can see x less than 5, y not equal to z, amt greater than equal to 5000 and amt less than equal to 10,000. So these are few examples of the logical operations. And remember students, logical operations are the ones which either result into true or they result into false. Alright. Now what is an expression? It's a very important question. Expression is a combination of operators and operands, and you can understand it better through this example, x plus y, where you can see that plus is an operator which is performing the addition operation upon these two operands. What are these operands? X and y. Alright, so this plus is operation for addition, operator for addition, and this entire expression is the arithmetic expression. What is that? Arithmetic expression. Now we look at the second one. Here you can see p greater than equal to 1000 and p less than equal to 5000. It's a logical operator, and here two expressions are there, p greater than equal to 1000 and the second one is p less than equal to 5000. So they have been brought together using this logical operator. So this entire expression is the logical expression, but these components, when we are talking about this and this, these are the relational expressions. And again I am telling you, they always evaluate to true or false. Alright. And that's why they are also known as Boolean expressions also, because they give their result in the Boolean data type. Okay. I hope you have found it quite easy. Now we are going towards the second example, one more example, that is x less than y. So less than has been used. This is the relational operator. Like here p greater than equal to was the relational operator. P after p there is less than equal to, that is also relational operator. So this less than is the relational operator, and x y are the operands because this operation is being performed upon these two operands. Alright. And the expression which we have written here, this is the relational expression. What is the expression? This is the relational expression. Alright. Now students, after this, operators perform an operation upon operands. Operators perform an operation upon operands, and operands are there, for the operation, means some operation is always performed upon the operands. So I hope the concept of expression, operator and operands is clear to you. Now we are going to talk about the expression types, different types of expressions. First one is arithmetical expression. So I hope you have an idea because we have already discussed it a bit. So arithmetical expression is basically performs the arithmetical operation. Alright. Using the arithmetic operators. So I'll say written means arithmetical expression is written using arithmetic operators. Arithmetical operation is performed through arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are plus addition, minus means subtraction, then division, then asterisk, that is multiplication, and then remainder. And remember student, this percentage like sign is basically meant for remainder. It gives us the remainder and it is called modulus. Don't forget. Alright, it's a very very important arithmetic operators among all the available arithmetic operators in Java. Alright, because in various applications you will be using that. Now relational expressions. So it is written using the relational operators. It evaluates to either true or false. relational operation is performed by the relational operators. Relational operators are as follows. Equal to, you can see two equal to signs are there, but it is actually there to represent the equal to relational operation, because single equal to in Java is meant for assignment. All right. Then not equal to, this sign of exclamation and exclamation is there, and then equal to sign is there one time, that is representing not equal to. Then greater than equal to, less than equal to. So these are the relational operators. All right. After that, logical expressions. Logical expressions are written using the logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine, very very important line, two or more relational expressions to form a compound condition. All right, means more than one conditions or relational expressions will be combined using the logical operators. What are these? Logical operators are logical not, logical and logical or. This two pipe sign you can use for that on a computer keyboard for that. This is the ampersand sign twice, that is the logical and. All right. These operators are very important because whenever you have multiple choices in one condition, then you go for logical or. You can choose either of the available options. All right. Either of the given combination is true, and when we have to specify the range, then we go for the logical and. This helps us in writing the range. Like here you can see price is more than equal to 1000 and price is less than equal to 15,000. Means if the price ranges between 1000 and 15,000, that is the simple meaning of this expression. And now here two things are there. If x is divisible by 30 and x is divisible by 4 also. All right. So for the divisibility we use the mod operator. So anyways, we'll discuss that in detail. So till now you need to understand, and I think you are clear about the concept of basic operations and basic operators. All right. Thanks everyone.